The drone world is about to change forever, and most people are looking in the wrong direction. Forget everything you thought you knew about small drones because a new king is coming to claim the throne. We are talking about a machine that defies the laws of physics. It is the DJI Mini 6 Pro. For years, we had to choose between a drone that was easy to carry and a drone that took professional photos. But now that gap is closing. The rumors surrounding this device are not just small whispers anymore. They are a loud roar that has every tech enthusiast on the edge of their seat. Imagine a camera that fits in your pocket but captures the world like a cinema-grade rig. This is the promise of the next generation, to understand why everyone is so excited. We have to look at where we are right now. The Mini 5 Pro arrived in late 2025, and it felt like magic. It gave us a 1-inch sensor and a body that weighed less than a bag of sugar. It gave us 4K HDR video and the ability to track objects with incredible precision using LiDAR technology. It was a game changer for travelers who didn't want to deal with heavy bags or strict flight regulations. But in the tech world, standing still is the same as moving backward. DJI knows this better than anyone. Even though the current model is amazing, the competition is heating up. This is why the leaks for the Mini 6 Pro are so aggressive. We are hearing about features that seem impossible for a drone under 250 grams. The biggest rumor involves the eyes of the drone. There is strong talk about a 1.5-inch sensor. If this is true, it would provide a massive jump in low light performance. Your night shots would look clean and professional without any grain. Some insiders even suggest a dual lens setup similar to what we see on larger professional drones. This would allow you to zoom in on subjects without losing any detail. The most shocking part? People are mentioning 8K video. Shooting in 8K on a drone this small would be a historic milestone. It means you could crop your videos and still have perfect clarity for your final edit. This isn't just a minor update. This is a total reconstruction of what a mini drone can do. Flight safety is also getting a massive boost. You're moving away from simple sensors and toward full AI-integrated flight. The Mini 6 Pro might feature a 360-degree obstacle avoidance, a system that uses artificial intelligence to predict movements. It won't just stop before hitting a tree. It will calculate a cinematic path around it automatically. This makes it the perfect tool for solo creators who need to film themselves while hiking or biking. You can focus on your adventure while the drone handles the complex flying. Additionally, the battery life is expected to break the 40-minute barrier. Longer flight times mean more chances to get that perfect sunset shot without worrying about your landing gear. In my honest opinion, the DJI Mini 6 Pro is going to be the single most important purchase for any creator in 2026. It represents freedom. It removes the barriers between a great idea and a high-quality video. You no longer need a crew or a suitcase full of equipment to look like a pro. This drone is designed for the modern era where speed and quality must live together. It is the ultimate tool for anyone who wants to tell a story from the sky. If you have been waiting for the right time to upgrade, this is it. The future of cinematography is small, smart, and incredibly powerful. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.